Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is a channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading while managing risk. Let's get into it. By the way, if you have not liked or subscribed to the channel, we got beef right now. I'm trying to get this information out to as many people as possible, and hitting that thumbs up button doesn't cost anything. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, and enjoy the channel. Thanks. Okay, guys, let's get into it. Let's start from scratch here this week. This is the last week of the month. It's 6:25. It's 8 o'clock, 8:30 Eastern. The month, as you can see, is still bullish. We have a huge wick up here, so just be careful. And here, last week we had a bearish week. See the pullback right here. We have a week with a no wick right here. So probably look forward to pull back into that area. This daily got a little imbalance right here. So this is our new range on the daily. But as you can see, let's look here on the monthly. It came right to 152.70, then headed on back down. So did not take out that high, but it went right to it and came back. Looking at these imbalances right here on a weekly. And again, like I said, we have the candle with no wick. So let's go down to the daily. Super small wick here, imbalance. You see it's making its way right back down to that. So right now, even with the month showing super bullish, it may try to go back up to that area. Right now you see it's kind of leveling out at the previous highs of these other candles at 149.39. Or it may just stay up here and then bring the wick back down here for next month. Just be a little, like I said, a little leery. It just might move sideways this week for 5 days. It might come back down here and then come back up to this area. And then who knows? We also have a little imbalance down here as well. It's on a daily that it may come back to. It's just, it's already kind of taken off. Getting in position. Let's look here. Get into a bullish position from this range here. Yeah, price has to be back down here. Where it's coming to. You look for probably a nice hour confirmation, 30-minute hour confirmation, for it to at least move back up into this kind of range and then probably continue on up. But I would just be really cautious entering the market right now, with it already being all the way up here. And again, it's tested the high and came back. So end of the month, always understand where we are in that position. See down here, have some imbalances on the 4-hour. So there's opportunity to get back in. But just be cautious how we do it. Yeah, I would wait. Some people will probably try to ride it down to this area. I would wait for a nice confirmation here, hour confirmation, 4-hour confirmation. Once it hits here, it may be even on a 30-minute where it starts showing us, hey, we're about to move back up. But it cleared up this imbalance. It's moved up, but it still didn't take out this this high right here. So just be careful. Always No position is a position. Um, it may have already done what it was supposed to for this month, and we just need to be patient and wait for it to do what it's going to do for next month. Um, that's NAS. Let's go over to gold. Looking at gold here. Um, this is this new range. Let's go. Let's go all the way back out to the month. Nice bearish candle for the month. You see it has wicks on both ends, so not sure what it's going to do for the rest of the month. Weekly, daily. See, we have our new range for our daily. It has a little imbalance up here, but our goal is to get down to 1858. It's been our goal for what, a couple weeks now. So you see, it's been moving slowly but surely back down there. So just again, make sure you're getting a good position. Moving into a bearish, gets a nice buy position. There's nothing telling us that it's moving back bullish right now. So there's a little imbalance here. But right now it's printing right side ranges where we have lower lows. Each day, not each day, but within weeks, within days, and within the days and the weeks, we're getting lower lows being printed out here on the right for our right side ranges. So just be a little leery. Make sure you're not just hopping in down here at the bottom once you see confirmation. As you can see here, it's been like kind of pulling back into each area and cleaning up that imbalance before it's continuing down. So what is it, 19? Yeah, look for price to move back up to 1948 and continue down to 1858. That's our goal. Right now we're in this range right here. Probably get a little consolidation. Looking at this is on the daily, yeah. 4 hour, nice. Yeah. Here we got two areas of imbalance here that it hasn't cleaned up. This is on the hourly. I think I would look for price to kind of pull back into that area. Daily, weekly. Can't even see my boxes on the monthly. So, what are we looking here? This is what I'll do. Just let us know our daily starts. There you go. So, this is the month right here. So, as you can see, we have our wick up here and our wick down here. So, yeah, pulling back right into the middle of that candle. This week, what is this? That's my 4 hour. There we go. So having a candle that small, who knows? It may just kind of move sideways again before it continues down. That's what we're looking for right now. It's come back into these areas here, then continue on down and hit our goal of 1858. Looking forward to continue down from 1950 and continue down to 1958. Again, we have a gap here. It's gonna clean that up. I don't know. Yeah. If you're not already in the move, like up here, that's the reason why I had that there initially. Yeah. If you're not already in that move, I'd be a little leery trying to hop into the market right now. I wouldn't be trying to buy stuff right down here. Discount is up here. So that's our trading plan for gold. Here's Japanese British pound yen. Um, let's look at our monthly. Huge move up. It's been headed towards 186.304. Actually, I guess our yep, other goal was right below here. I believe it just barely touched that. See where it was. Oh, okay. So it hasn't hit our high yet. Actually, probably looking forward to hit there first. But it's been moving on up. Huge imbalance on a weekly. Have quite considerable areas here. So just be a little leery, even with this huge monthly bullish candle. Exactly, it's the end of the month. It may pull back into these areas before continuing up. We have a few imbalances right here. Some opportunities to get back into it. And some nice consolidation areas right here. So, yeah, just be a little leery of hopping into the market. It's the end of the month. If you don't already have a nice position for price for Japanese British pound yen to move to 184.553, I would just be patient. There's a couple of spots here where within this range, within this daily range, to hop back in for it to continue up. However, I'm looking at all the imbalances is left. What is it? Past 2 weeks. Look at history. It always comes back to clean that up. So it may touch that 184 and then come back and then continue on up. That's the plan right now. Be patient again. No position is a position. Just watch price, see what it does. Right now, it just set a new range. And even though this candle, this 4 hour candle here is bullish, it looks like it's going to turn around, continue on down. So it's already cleaned up this gap up for the day. It's probably going to continue on down. So got 14 minutes left in this 4 hour candle with no wick. That's our plan for the week. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Again, hit that like button and share the channel. Appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Happy pivoting.